All right, let's get our pound cake in the pan. We have our cherry pie filling right here. We are making a no-bake cherry cheesecake. That'll be nothing short of spectacular. Let's get that all worked around. All right, team, since I can't seem to find the no-bake cheesecake from Philadelphia, I know it's only at Walmart or whatever, but I have had zero luck with that. We're going with some Jell-O cheesecake on this one today. Let's get this pudding made up and put it in the fridge to cool off. We got our cheesecake Jell-O. All right, and just smooth it on out. And of course, you know we're going with some extra creamy Cool Whip going over the top. Just smooth it on out too. Now, normally I'd put some kind of holiday sprinkles on this or whatever, but guys, we want this year round, so we're gonna do it just plain Cool Whip. And I can hear the comments right now. Why is that dish so small for so much cheesecake mix? Well, I'll tell you what. I did not measure this out very well. And there you go. There's your answer. All right, team, it is maxed out, but you know, hey, it is what it is. We're gonna get it in the fridge, let it chill out, let it come together a little bit in there, right? Then we'll give it a bite. I'll see you in a sec. Let's get a little bite of the goodness in here. All right, there we go. There you go, guys. Your no-bake cherry cheesecake. Let's get a bite. Y'all, we got the cherries. We got the cheesecake-ish Jell-O. Got that Cool Whip. The pound cake, easy as can be. You're going to want to make this. Maybe you know it's good.